Hi, everyone. I'm Ed Slott. There has never been a greater urgency for trained financial professionals than right now. The tax rules surrounding IRAs and 401ks have always been complicated, but nothing like 2020. We started this year off with the Secure Act. The elimination of the stretch IRA upended the plans for your best clients. Now they're relying on you for alternative solutions. Then we hit the CARES Act with all the pandemic relief provisions. Many of them have to be taken advantage of by year end. And then in the middle of this, with the pandemic, many of your clients have experienced unexpected career changes, layoffs, early distributions. They need advice from you. And then in the middle of all of this, the SEC came around with Reg BI. So you have to know the proper protocol for helping clients evaluate rollover decisions. But this is an opportunity for you, because when people are in transition, the money's in motion. And when the money's in motion, it's up for grabs. That's when the pockets change. This is the time to build your business. Clients need answers, reliable and accurate answers from you, and you can't afford to make a mistake. Our 2-day virtual program, we've just added another one, has all the answers you need. That's 2 action-packed days. We'll take you through a 400-plus page virtual manual, which you can use as a reference guide. And while we're doing the 2 days, you'll get real-time answers to your questions, because while we're giving the program, our IRA experts will be answering your questions in real time. This program has it all. This is your opportunity to serve your clients and build your business now.